Hi, I'm Nancy with Creative Cutz. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this pretty little gift bag, and the cutting file is available as a free download on my blog, creativecutz.com. The address is right there on your screen. So when you cut the file, it's all one piece like this, and it's got a scallop top. And it also has little wee tick marks to indicate where you need to do the scoring. So you probably can't see them on camera, but when you cut them out, you'll see them. So I'm just going to start off by doing all the scoring. So you're basically just scoring for the four sides of the bag. And then this tab here. And then I'm going to turn it, and I just need to score right across the bottom for the bottom tabs. Oops, I'll just run one line right across. There we go. Okay, so I'll set my scoreboard to the side. Now, the first thing I do is just fold along all of the crease lines. Just like that, and then I'll fold up the tabs on the bottom. And then the first piece that I'm going to glue is this side piece here. So I just run a little line of glue along it. Bring this up and put it into position. And the nice thing about working with the wet glue, of course, is that you have a couple of minutes to make sure that everything is lined up properly before it actually dries. Just burnish that a little bit to make sure that it stays well stuck. And it looks like I need just a little bit of extra glue right there at the corner. So put a little bit more in there just to make sure my corner stays glued. Okay, and then to finish off the bottom, all you need to do is fold in the two small tabs and fold the two larger ones down over top and glue that in place. So I'm just going to run a little bit of glue along the smaller tabs and then some more along the larger one here. And then just fold everything down and in place. Okay, and then what I find helpful too is if you flip it over and just put your glue bottle inside and kind of press down. It's easier than trying to get your hand in there. And that'll just let you make sure that everything on the bottom is nicely stuck in place. So that's the basic bag. It's nice and easy to make, as you can see. It just took a couple of minutes to put it together. And then to finish it off, you have a couple of options. If you want to have just an open bag, you can punch a couple of holes at the top on each side and then just run some ribbon through for handles. Or if you'd like to close the bag the way I did in the first one that I showed you, all you need to do is just fold the sides in like that. Just kind of crease them. And then you can either fold the top down or just leave it up like this. And I'll just use my stapler to staple that in place. And then just glue a little flower or some other embellishment on top like that to finish off the bag. So that's how easy it is to make this little gift bag. And as I said at the beginning, it is available as a free download on my blog, www.creativecutz.com. Thanks for joining me.